In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize images in Coda so you can take full control over the layout of your documents. Coda is a powerful all-in-one workspace that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and knowing how to adjust the size of your images is a small but essential skill that makes your pages look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to coda.io. You'll need to sign into your Coda account using whichever sign-in method you prefer, whether that's your Google account, Apple ID, or an email address. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard where all your documents are listed. From there, open the document that contains the image you want to resize. If you've already been working on a specific page, navigate to that page within the document. Coda documents can have multiple pages, so just click through until you find exactly where your image lives. Now that you're on the right page, click directly on the image you want to adjust. When you do, you'll notice small square handles appear along the edges and at the corners of the image. These are your resize handles, and they're the key to changing the image size. The handles at the corners are especially useful because they let you resize the image proportionally, which helps prevent distortion. One common mistake beginners make is only using the side handles, which can squish or stretch the image if you're not careful. So, it's a best practice to use the corner handles whenever possible to maintain the original aspect ratio of your image. Next, move your cursor over one of these resize handles. As you hover over it, your cursor will change into a double-headed arrow. That's your visual cue that you're ready to resize. Click and hold that handle, then drag it inward to make the image smaller, or outward to make it larger. You'll see the image update in real time as you drag, so you can get a very precise sense of how it will look before you let go. When you're happy with the new size, simply release the mouse button. The image will snap to that size and update immediately within the document. Now take a moment to review the resized image in context with the rest of your content. Ask yourself, does it now fit well alongside the text, tables, or other elements on the page? If it still feels a bit too large or too small, don't worry. Just click on the image again, grab a handle, and drag until you're satisfied. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Coda is very forgiving in that way, so feel free to experiment until the layout feels balanced and intentional. Once you've finished resizing that first image, you can continue adjusting others throughout the document to maintain a consistent look. For example, if you have multiple product photos, team headshots, or screenshots, it's a good idea to keep them roughly the same size for visual harmony. Inconsistent image sizes can make a document feel messy and unprofessional, so taking a few extra seconds to align them makes a huge difference. One of the great things about Coda is that it automatically saves every change you make. There is no save button to click, and no fear of losing your progress. As soon as you release that resize handle, your document is updated and stored in the cloud. This is especially handy when you're working on a longer document with lots of images, because you can focus entirely on the creative layout without worrying about manual saving. So why does all this matter? Properly sized images improve readability, create a balanced page layout, and help your documents look much more polished and professional. When images are too large, they can overwhelm the text and distract your reader. When they're too small, they lose their impact and become hard to see. By resizing thoughtfully, you're guiding your reader's eye and making your content easier to digest. Before I wrap up, let me share a few quick tips to keep in mind. Always resize images proportionally, preferably using the corner handles to avoid distortion. Keep image sizes consistent throughout your document so the layout feels cohesive. Avoid making images excessively large, as they can distract from your content and push other elements out of alignment. After resizing, review your document from top to bottom to ensure the layout remains clean and everything flows naturally. Also, try to use high-quality images from the start, so that when you do make them larger, they stay crisp and clear instead of becoming pixelated. Finally, balance your text and images so the page is organized and easy to read, not cluttered or sparse. You've now got everything you need to resize images in Coda with confidence. By taking just a few extra moments to adjust your images, you'll make your documents much more effective and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial useful, consider saving this video so you can easily come back to these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Coda.